When you're off-grid and off-map on an overland adventure, you need a vehicle that's up to the task of conquering long distances, powering through challenging terrain. Your partner in boosting performance? Petron Turbo Diesel.
Mileage. Lots of it. That's what Overlanders look forward to when they take on adventures that push man and machine. The more challenging the terrain, the better. That's why you need all the power your engine can give. So Overlanders turn to fuels that give them more. Petron Turbo Diesel has Turbo Plus that cleans your fuel injectors. And it's also high in cetane, giving you more mileage and more bang for your buck.
Most of the 4x4 and overland vehicle are all built as a diesel engine. And diesel engine, lalo na yung mga modern, requires a premium fuel. We traveled all over the Philippines in 21 days, 8,000 kilometers. When we used Petron Turbo Diesel, it kept the engine in top condition.
In a field test, drivers reported feeling better engine response and power on demand. Plus, data showed up to a 16.4% increase in mileage per liter when using Petron Turbo Diesel.
A fuel that gives you more mileage with every step of the gas and more power from less fuel. Restore your engine like new and rev up your overland adventures with Petron Turbo Diesel.